Hey, what's up, traders? It is Thursday, November 10th, 9/12. You can see here on the chart what we've done after the CPI announcement, but here are going to be your morning ideas. Okay, gang, so we got the CPI announcement here, and you can see at 8:30 we dipped a little bit right off of the announcement, but we've gone up more than 100 points since the announcement, and it's that the inflation has didn't go up as much as expected. If we pull up, we'll pull up Forex Factory here and see what the actual number is. I think it was 0.3%. Core CPI 0.3, regular CPI 0.4. The forecast was up 0.6. That still has the rate actually at 7.7, and again, it's down from 8.2, I believe, was the last number. So that's why the market is rallying here. We're getting close to that 3,900 mark. We've kind of slashed through this over under that we had on there. Remember, these levels don't really mean anything when some kind of a big news event is going to push us out of these areas. However, I do think that 3,900 is in the cards now. We're only 20 points away from that, and we can see that we've already gone 100 points, so there's no problem going another 20. But from there, that puts us back into, remember, if you look over here on my left where my crosshair is, puts us back into kind of this area we were in previously. And I had this red line. I've had this red line on here for 2 weeks because I think that this is an important level for the market. If we can push higher, get through this 3,900 and we start to push and push, I think that the longer term target is up here, like 4010 or let's just call it 4,000 to make it easy, a round number. 4,000 I think would be a pretty big level. And the reason behind that is it gets pretty thin above that. So if the sellers want to keep this market from going to the moon, they really need to fight there. And I really expect to see some resistance there and a pretty big fight from the sellers at 4,000. Where we go now, I don't know that we continue this kind of rally that we've gotten off the CPI. We know that you do need to know that the scene of the crime, which I did not make up. I always like to put that disclaimer. It's a term I got from Futures Trader 71, that the scene of the news crime is down here at 3765. Okay, 3765 is where the news broke. So the market, if the market starts to take some of this move back, this is a number that you need to have in your on your charts, because the market has an uncanny way of getting back to this and taking all of the news back and then starting the auction from there. That doesn't mean that the market has to come back here within the next hour or within the next day or within the next week. I just like to have an idea of where the market left from so that I can have an idea of where we may go if we start to take back some of this move, okay? So I'll leave you with that. It's getting late. It's 9:16. Got to get this video processing to you before the open. Good luck out there today. I think that this is a day where I'm going to be trading smaller and wider, just because I think that the volatility will be there all day. So looking for 3,900 and see what happens up at 3,900. And if we start to take back some of that move and we get through 3820, I think there's a good chance we come all the way back to the scene of that crime like I talked about. Okay, guys, let me know if you guys have any questions, and we'll talk soon.